Hello everyone. Welcome to yet another video on TwinSimulate. In this demo, we will look at how to control an LED using a push button on a Raspberry Pi. Let's select Raspberry Pi as the target in the diagram. Next, choose the appropriate Raspberry Pi target subtype. In the left-hand side panel, scroll down and search for the Raspberry Pi library. Select the digital input block and add it to the diagram. Next, select the digital output block and add it to the diagram. Connect the digital input block to the digital output block. Now, double-click the digital input block. Enter the GPIO pin assigned to the push button, then click OK. Next, double-click the digital output block. Enter the GPIO pin assigned to the LED, then click OK. The model configuration is now completed. Next, click Generate Code. Wait for the code generation process to complete. Once the process is finished, the executable file is automatically generated in the project output folder. Navigate to the generated executable folder. Next, open a location where TwinSimulate is installed. Open the block editor folder. Then open the untitled_1_gen folder. Inside this folder, you will find the untitled_1_ executable file. This is the executable file generated from the code. Open Command Prompt on your computer. Use the SCP command to transfer the executable file to the Raspberry Pi. Enter the Raspberry Pi username, IP address, and destination path. When prompted, enter the Raspberry Pi password. After the password is entered, wait until the file transfer is completed successfully. Next, open Real VNC Viewer and connect to the Raspberry Pi. Navigate to the folder where the executable file was transferred. Open a terminal in that location. Run the following command to provide execute permission to the file. Command+X file name. After the command is executed, type ls. You can now observe that the executable file name changes color, indicating that the execute permission has been applied successfully. Now run the executable using /file name. The application starts running on the Raspberry Pi. As shown in the video, when the push button is pressed, the LED turns on. When the push button is released, the LED turns off. This demonstrates digital input and digital output control on the Raspberry Pi using TwinSimulate. Thank you. Stay tuned for more TwinSimulate demonstrations.